Sure, some of you guys remember this beautiful hair, this natural curly hair in 20 inches from Erin21.com. Well, I straightened it and I layered it and it looks gorgeous, beautiful, soft and silky. Don't worry, it reverts right back to its natural curl, and I do want to show you guys that in this update video. So I have been wearing this hair straight for a few weeks, and I really just want to test and see if this hair goes back to its natural curl pattern using the absorber conditioner that I have been raving about. So I straightened this unit so that I can get a better layer when I cut it. I find that it's easier to cut when it's been straightened. And you guys can see it crimping up right back to its natural curl pattern. I really wanted to test the versatility of this hair. And I'm just one of those people that like to change their hair from curly to straight. And I wanted to see if, while using this absorber conditioner, if it will help it bounce back to its natural pattern. So I'm using the packs of conditioner that are given to you with your purchase. And this is the shampoo and conditioner that I've just been raving about, the one that's supposed to help with the hair longevity. And as you guys can see, it just really helps this hair snap back. I've been using it on this hair and it has just been working wonders. Look at how well it reverted to its natural curl pattern. I cannot get enough of this. And I'm just going in with my spray bottle here. I just want to make sure those curls are extra tight and crisp looking. I would either go with that or foam. That way you can just really keep that hold all day. And last but not least, just my curl cap so I can go run my errands and still look kind of cute. But yeah, this has been my update on this hair. Like I said, it's been cut, layered, all that, minimal shedding. This hair is still great. If you'd like to see more, make sure you check out my Instagram. I'll have a tutorial on how I straighten this hair, and all the links will be below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my 6-month update.